You don't need a finance degree to get financial insights, just a smart system. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to go from zero to confident using tools anyone can access without spending years in school. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share the one mindset shift that'll make all the difference when applying what you learn. First, let's get clear on what financial insights actually means. It's not just tracking your expenses or reading the news. It's understanding what the numbers mean and how they connect to your financial goals, whether it's investing smarter, budgeting better, or spotting trends before they affect your money. So how do we shortcut that knowledge? It starts with using software that turns raw data into clear visual summaries. I've tested all the popular options out there, from budget apps to market dashboards, and the software we'll be using today is by far the most intuitive. You'll find a free trial in the description, exclusively for Dan Thorne viewers. Once you're in the software, step 1 is to connect your accounts. That includes checking, savings, investment accounts, whatever gives you the clearest picture of your financial life. The software pulls in this data securely and organizes it into simple dashboards. Step 2. Let the insights come to you. Most people overlook this, but automation is your best friend. Set up alerts for unusual spending, major market shifts, or portfolio dips. This turns you from a passive observer into someone who actually gets notified when something important changes. Next up, trend reports. These are automatically generated and show you where your money's going, how your investments are performing, and what's changing over time. Even without a finance degree, this gives you the same clarity analysts use daily. Another tip? Focus on ratios and patterns. For example, look at how your spending compares to your income month over month, or how much of your portfolio is exposed to riskier assets. The software makes these comparisons easy by color-coding and flagging areas to pay attention to. Finally, leverage the Insight section built into the tool. It'll often highlight things like recurring subscriptions you forgot about, fees you didn't notice, or investments that aren't aligned with your goals. Now here's the key takeaway. Getting financial insights without a finance degree isn't about learning complex formulas. It's about seeing the right data in the right way at the right time. Quick recap. Use software that pulls in all your financial data in one place. Automate alerts and reports so the insights come to you. Focus on patterns, trends, and ratios, not just raw numbers. Let the tool surface opportunities and risks you wouldn't otherwise notice. And if you want to follow along or take action right away, the software I'm using has an exclusive free trial in the description just for viewers of this channel. It's the easiest way to take what I just showed you and apply it to your own finances in minutes. Thanks for watching. Now go get those insights.